If you're interested in klezmer music, May 2025 is the month for you. We're doing live klezmer workshops all month on Accordion Love. May 5th and 6th, this Monday and Tuesday, we're learning the foundations of klezmer music, the klezmer scale, the chords and rhythms that make up klezmer music. There are just 3 chords, D7, C minor, and G minor, that make up the majority of klezmer songs. Once you learn those 3 chords and the klezmer scale, you can play dozens and dozens of klezmer songs. That's May 5th and 6th. The following week, May 12th and 13th, we're having applied workshops. So we're actually going to learn to play, learn to improvise. This is all done live over Zoom in a group setting. I get to see you play. You get to receive feedback from me and other learners. It's a super exciting way of learning. All of the material is also available in a self-paced program. So if you're more into that, that's included with your Accordion Love membership. If you want the live feedback, the showing up every day, we have 2 workshops every day to facilitate whatever time zone you're in. I encourage you to check it out. I'll share links in the description. It's the best way of learning. We get to be together. Do the monthly challenges. I'd love to see you over there. Let me know if you have any questions.